Alright, so for today we'll be making an easy gift card holder, so let's get to crafting. To start on this project, you're going to want to make your design in Cricut Design Space. So to create this design, I just got a scalloped rectangle from the shapes section, then I sliced off the edges using a regular rectangle shape, then separated them by slicing them apart, and sized it correctly for my gift card. And I also added tabs on the side to be able to glue down the front of my gift card holder. I'll be using this cardstock I got at Hobby Lobby for this project, so now it's just time to load it onto your mat and cut it out. And don't forget to load your scoring stylus into clamp A. So then just fold down the edges, then grab some glue and glue your shorter tab to these two tabs on the side. Then let it dry. Once your card holder is dry, you can add your gift card, then grab some tape, get a small piece, and roll it. Put it on the edge of the gift card holder, and shut the lid, and now it is ready to be put in a card to be given to someone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Happy holidays!